Now let's look at cumulative lift, and that would be, you have a cumulative actual. So here is your actual column. So it will be like L24 and then plus L25. So this gives you the cumulative actual as you go down from the top, and then we have cumulative average. Okay, the cumulative average is from here, so M24, then that plus M25 will give you the cumulative average. So now if you divide, get cumulative lift. That divided by that. Okay. And cumulative lift will always end up with 1 at the bottom, because at the end, when you come down all the way to the bottom, they both will be the same, because you're going to add up all of the actuals and add up all of the average actuals, so it will actually turn out to be the same. So the ratio will be 1. So now if you, and in SAS this is a scatter plot like this, okay, with the x-axis being the decile. So here it will be, if you have decile number, so 1 to 10. All right. So you, in the scatter plot, if you add the x-axis to be the decile number, okay, so then you have it. And of course you have to now format it, make sure that it is all well formatted. So this will be your cumulative lift chart which SAS generates. But SAS does one thing differently. It doesn't give you decile wise lift chart. It actually converts it into 20 different groups. If you look at, let's take a look at the results. At the end of it, you see how many it has. It has, I think about roughly 61, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 18 groups here. It's not exactly 10 otherwise. Okay. So you may, something like, the decile wise chart, it should be exactly 10 groups. But if you are preparing a cumulative lift chart, then you could probably do more than 10 groups, which will be like going and changing the group instead of 57.4. So if you do like, I don't know, 25 or something, then you get a lot more. Groups of cases, okay, then you plot that. So it's no longer, it will no longer be a decile wise chart then. So you change the data to include up to 46. So go up to 46. This will go up to 46 also. Then you get a different. Oh, I didn't change the x-axis. You have to change the x-axis. So now we have more densely plotted points than just 10. So the only difference being, instead of dividing into 10 equal parts, you divide it into more classes of observations.